Hello students, today I am going to start chapter 7, Latitudes and Longitudes, in which we will read about the globe, latitudes or parallels, longitudes and grid. So let us start from the subtopic, the globe. Here is a picture of a globe. Students, you see this picture very carefully. A globe is a model of the earth. It has some vertical and some horizontal lines on it. As you can see in this picture, the vertical and the horizontal lines. And these lines are called imaginary lines, and that is latitudes and longitudes. I hope the globe is clear to you. It is imaginary lines in it, and these are called the latitudes and longitudes. So this was about globe. Now the next topic is latitudes or parallels. Now what is latitude or parallels? It is a set of imaginary lines running from east to west on the globe, and these are known as the lines of latitudes or parallels. And the longest parallel is the equator. You can see in this picture the equator, that is 0 degree, and it divides the earth into two equal halves horizontally, and the part of the earth located to the north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the part located to the south of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. So this is about the important latitudes. Now, besides the equator, other important parallels are, you can see in the picture, that is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north. The next one is Arctic Circle, this is 66.5 degree north. The next is Tropic of Capricorn, and this is 23.5 degree south. And the next one is Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south. And the Arctic and the Antarctic circles are also called polar circles. So this was about the important parallels. Now features of parallels. All parallels are complete circles except the North Pole and the South Pole. And the length of parallels decreases as we move away from the equator towards the pole. And all parallels are at an equal distance from one another, and none of the parallels touches or crosses one another. And each hemisphere has 90 parallels, making them 181 parallels in all, including the equator. So this was about features of parallels. Now next we have to learn about the longitudes. Now here see a picture of a longitudes. Now what is this? The set of imaginary lines running from north to south on the earth are known as lines of longitude, or this we can say as meridians. The meridian passing through the Old Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London was chosen as the starting point of the meridians in 1884. It was marked 0 degree and called the Greenwich meridian or the prime meridian. Now this was about longitudes. I hope it is clear. And the next is the features of meridians. In this, all meridians are semicircular and of equal length. And as we move away from the equator towards the poles, distance between the meridians decreases. And meridians cut the parallels at 90 degrees. And meridians help to measure distance in east-west direction. So this was about the longitudes. Now our last topic from the chapter is grid. Now here you can see one picture of a grid of latitude and longitudes. Now what is grid? It is the network of lines formed by the latitude and the longitudes is called a grid. It helps us to locate places. And the point where the latitude and the longitude intersect is the location of the place. For example, Indore is located at intersection of 22° north latitude and 76° east longitude. So I hope students this is clear. Grid, and this picture is very important. It can come in exam also. So now today's here I have completed the chapter, and today's classwork what you have to do is you will do the exercises, tick the correct answer, fill ups, match the following, and true false in the book. And rest question answers I'll give you in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.